Hey guys, Rob Lowe again from Rob Lowe's Marketing. Look, what we're doing today is actually being a little bit more, what should I say, is more involved in getting things out there that you guys can actually start doing. Okay, and even there's platforms now that actually offer it for free. So it's actually a good thing to play around with these things because how else you going to learn about AI if you don't want to hire it myself? Just have to throw that in there. Okay, so you gotta play with some of these platforms. One of the good platforms that I did learn about today is called Pictory. Okay, you can see it on your screen. Um, Look, Pictory is a video. You can create videos, okay, from practically you don't even have to do the video. Okay. So this is wonderful tool to utilize. Okay, if your industry, or I should say your business, does a lot of videos, here's one of the platforms you can use. We're going to be trying to do these like I'm going to try to do them as often as possible so you guys can learn about all the tools that are out there. And that way I'm giving back and you can know that, hey, Rob is here to help. And look, and in case you try and start a digital marketing company or like myself, or you want to get into something else you don't have to do Shopify, whatever. Here's some of the tools that you can use. So going right back to Pictory, it's Pictory.ai. Okay. Um, just looking at let's just take a quick look at some of the actual pricing. So if you hit upgrade after you, so when you first get to this website, you gotta sign in, email and all that stuff. Then it takes you to this platform. Okay, so you do the sign in. You can hit upgrade. You don't have to do the 14-day trial. Um, but we're keeping everything tutorial for this video. So there you go, some of the prices, okay, of what they're offering. Of course, this one's on yearly. So look, if you are, let's just say, no use, you done spend everything and you spend everything like getting your domain and everything, you know you're going to be in this for a while, which, I don't know why if you're starting, you wouldn't be doing this. But anyway, that's besides the point. Uh, so you can pay for, look, my thing is probably go for the professional version. Seems to offer a little bit more. 11 Labs, I'll show that to you guys. Not today, but it's some upcoming videos. It's pretty cool thing. So they use 11 Labs, okay? And I'll show you actually where here as we progress in the video. So these are the things, and then you can look at your monthly, few more dollars, okay? So now we go back up here. We can just hit back button, and back button should take us right to where we need to be. So we wanna we wanna we wanna pick one of those. It gave you four options, okay? We want to pick one of the four. So, it's really cool because it can do visual aids and turn them into videos. You can edit your old videos and bring them back to life because they need some, you know, reviving. You can take an article and turn it into a video too. So, but these guys are pretty great. They got script to video, so that's what we're choosing. Okay, so now, if you have GPT, that's always a tricky tongue twister for me. Chat um, GPT, okay? You want to come and ask it to write you a script. So I did that, okay? It gave me a script. You can see. Now, this whole thing, you're going to take it and just put it over. I'll show you how in a minute. So I didn't like the way that because it has, if you look here, it has a lot like this part, you got to edit out the script and stuff like that. So I didn't like some of that stuff. So I asked it to do me I wanted it to do an actual single line, but sometimes Chat GPT is, stuck to its curriculum. So anyway, here we are. So we have to edit, okay? So I said make it plain, as you can see there, and here's what it gave me. So you come here, you're just gonna highlight, this. Okay, right to there. So we copy it, go back over here. We wait for this to hit paste from clipboard, and there you go. Okay, so the things that I was talking about, like here, you would come here, take that out. Okay, all this narrator stuff. Because basically all that the AI is doing is reading exactly what's on the screen. Now there's some of the advanced versions you don't have to worry about that. But for this tutorial we do. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and take that out too. Because it says that we are excited to introduce you, so there's no need for that. We'll come here and take this out. We'll take out closing. Want to keep the spacing there. Take this part out. Now you can see Chat GPT is very thorough. It tells you where everything needs to go. Okay. It makes it pretty simplistic for you. So we'll take out this too. Now I will show you, you can edit this after you've hit proceed. Okay. You don't have to do all your editing now, even though I'm trying to do that right now. So it gives a brief, you enroll now and take a minute, blah, blah, blah. All right, so we're gonna hit proceed now. It's pretty quick. All right, so here we go. So you hit the proceed button, and this is the next screen. Of course, as you guys are seeing live here, I'm doing it live for you right now. This platform is pretty cool, huh? All right, so it's just assembling everything. So I'm gonna go through some of the features of what we got here on the video. So I'm just showing you how to use the platform. Believe me, no proceeds go to me. Um, but I'm just showing you guys so these are some of the tools you can start. So it's gonna give you scenes and everything like that. So it's drawing this up for me. So we take a quick look. Here's what says part 2, 3. No, that's not all. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. Make sure none of that narrated part join us where your digital beginnings begin. So it's actually going to try sell for me, which is good. Okay. This is what you want. Um, how can you make sales if you're not asking somebody to buy? So that's the basis of this whole thing. So you can do your visuals. Here's your different visuals. So say if I don't like this screen, I can change it. Um, different ones. Now, as you continue to go up in upgrading, this gets better, okay? So also you got your audio voices. So in the beginning, it doesn't pick your voice. So you have to come over to voiceovers. As you can see, it's in premium mode. So you have to pick a voice. Now, these are the voices you get with premium. So I'm just going to pick 8 and apply that. Okay. So we're doing this live video right now. Okay. This is how quick you can get started for nothing, for absolutely zero. At this moment, we have spent $0. Okay. I want to do the basic of a person that doesn't have no money and really is just trying to find a way to free up their time and to become a part of this actual 4-hour work week. So here we go. You might have to start out with stock videos. That's okay. It's okay. Every good thing has a beginning. And like my mom used to say, Rome wasn't built in a day. Okay. So here we go. We go with that. If you had some voices or things you want to upload, you can upload them here. Background music, you can see the one. Let's see which one they chose. So they chose down for it. You can hear it by just hitting that. Sounds all right, right? If we want to change it, we just hit apply here. And we can hear that. Or sorry, this maybe sunset surf. Mercy. See, something like this is going to grab some else attention. Go with deep fear. All right, let's just use that. All right, now different styles of text. Go to that one. Here, you can do your branding, which I've already done the branding in here. You can do that. All right. So you guys get some of this. Now play around with some of these things, okay? So you get familiar with what's going on. See, there's a girl working, which is really good. You leave your mouse on it and it actually plays so you get an idea what it's gonna do. So this guy here, but see, these are got the king in them. So that means it's premium stock. So we would be able to use something like this. Let's try that. Okay. We just tried in the next scene. So any of these things I can change. Okay. So we come back to story. Now we want to preview our video. Let's hit it and see.
Welcome to Lowe Marketing, your gateway to mastering the digital world, where innovative strategies meet cutting-edge technology to elevate your business. Are you ready to transform your marketing approach and leverage the power of artificial intelligence? You're in the right place. At Lowe Marketing, we believe in empowering businesses with the tools and knowledge they need to thrive in today's digital landscape. Here's what sets us apart. 1. Expert guidance. Our team of seasoned professionals offers personalized strategies tailored to your unique business needs. 2. Innovative solutions. From social media management to SEO optimization, we provide a suite of services to boost your online presence. 3. Data-driven results. Leveraging the latest analytics, we ensure that every decision is informed and effective. But that's not all. We are excited to introduce our flagship program, the AI Essentials, a 5-day journey to mastery. This comprehensive course is designed to demystify AI and give you the
Hey, let me call you back. I'm doing a video.
Bye.
I'll call you back. Call you back. Sorry, guys. So just had somebody call in. Um, so you get the adjust there, okay? So guys, this is really, really good information. A good place to start. Okay, that's what we're trying to do here, you know. You're trying to become a single, say a single let's get your business going. And you only need the help of AI. So this is the thing you can actually start doing. You have to excuse my call. Somebody called me. But yeah, I will be continuing to do these type of videos. And I would suggest you, just like the video said, to take advantage of my 5-day AI plan, which teaches you all the essentials. We do walkthroughs like we're doing right now of live videos, like Pictory and things like that. So there's a lot of other platforms which I'll be going through and showing on my Instagram, which you guys can learn for free. And there's so much information out there, guys. I can't even stress this enough. This is a good program. I think these guys have put together a wonderful software. Try it out for 14 days. Cost you nothing but your time, and it's free. So, with that being said, look, buy my program. Just go to www.roblowismarketing.com. It's $159, but I've given $100 off. So use the coupon. Let's go. And let's get started on this. With that being said, I appreciate you guys' time. I hope that this was helpful. And please don't be bashful and shy and leave comments and leave comments in the post. I appreciate it. Thank you guys, and I will talk to you at another time. Peace.